Hey everyone, do you ever feel like your money disappears before the month is over? You're not alone. Many people struggle to manage their finances, but here's the good news. Mastering budgeting is easier than you think. With a little effort and the right strategy, you can take control of your money and build a stable financial future. So what is budgeting? Budgeting is simply making a plan for your money. It helps you track how much you earn, how much you spend, and where your money goes. When you have a budget, you are in charge of your finances instead of letting your finances control you. Now, why is budgeting important? A good budget helps you avoid debt, save for the future, spend wisely, reduce financial stress, and achieve financial goals, like buying a house or traveling. Sounds pretty great, right? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, know your income. The first step in budgeting is knowing how much money you make. This includes your salary, side jobs, or any other income. If your income varies each month, calculate an average. Next, track your expenses. Before making a budget, you need to understand where your money is going. Write down everything you spend money on, from rent and groceries to coffee and entertainment. Do this for a month, and you might be surprised by what you find. Then, categorize your expenses. Divide your spending into categories like needs, wants, and savings and investments. Needs include rent, groceries, bills, transportation, and healthcare. Wants are things like dining out, shopping, entertainment, and hobbies. Savings and investments include your emergency fund, retirement savings, and future goals. This helps you see where you might be overspending. Now set spending limits. Decide how much money you want to spend in each category. A common rule is the 50-30-20 rule: 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. If you want to save more, adjust your spending on wants. Next, cut unnecessary expenses. Look at your budget and see where you can cut costs. Do you really need that subscription service? Can you cook at home more instead of eating out? Small changes can lead to big savings. Save first, spend later. One mistake people make is saving whatever is left at the end of the month. Instead, pay yourself first by saving a portion of your income before spending on other things. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to make this easy. Use budgeting tools. There are many apps and tools that can help you track your spending. Some popular ones include Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard. These tools make budgeting simple and fun. Finally, review and adjust your budget. A budget is not set in stone. Life changes, and so should your budget. Review it every month and make adjustments as needed. Mastering budgeting is about making small, smart choices every day. It gives you control over your money and peace of mind. Start today, and in no time, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best financial life.